Bluey awoke to the sound of heavy rain upon the roof, the sort of rain that makes the world feel rather mysterious. She peered out of the window and gasped. Across the garden, through the mist, there was a faint golden shimmer. What on earth could it be? Bingo dashed in with her paws muddy from the wet lawn. Bluey, come quickly. There's something glowing by the old oak tree. Bluey's heart fluttered with excitement. A shimmer in their very own garden? How extraordinary! Dad fetched his coat and an umbrella whilst Mom called out, "Don't wander too far." Yet curiosity was stronger than caution, and together they stepped outside, the rain pattering upon their heads. The garden felt almost enchanted. As they approached the oak, the golden light pulsed softly, almost like a heartbeat. Bluey whispered, "Do you think it's treasure, or something magical?" Bingo trembled with both fear and delight. The ground gave a slight tremor and the grass parted, revealing a small wooden chest, damp yet gleaming beneath the rain. Bluey and Bingo exchanged wide-eyed glances. Could this possibly be real? Dad knelt down and brushed away the mud. The chest creaked as it opened. Inside lay not gold nor jewels, but a collection of old photographs and letters. Bluey picked one up gently. It was a picture of their very house, many years ago. Mom smiled warmly. This must have belonged to the family who lived here long before us. Bluey felt her chest swell with wonder. This wasn't treasure in the ordinary sense, but something far richer, memories, history, and stories waiting to be remembered. Bingo giggled. So we've discovered a secret past. Dad laughed heartily, holding the photographs to the lantern's glow. The storm no longer felt frightening, instead, the night carried a sense of belonging. Bluey whispered softly, "Sometimes the greatest treasure isn't gold at all, but the stories we share." And you, dear friend. If you've enjoyed this magical tale with Bluey, do subscribe and give a like. Thank you ever so much for watching.